This is pretty major. I made this mask myself. This is a great hack. You can buy these in bulk. These are masks that are compressed into a tiny little package. So they look like a little candy, okay? So it's hard, almost like an Alka-Seltzer or something. You could do this anywhere. I chose this little bottle just because I had it, and I put some rose water toner in here and vitamin C serum. Put whatever you want to put. So it's already soaking up the liquid and it's blowing up. Do you see that? But here you go. It's a face mask. So I chose a rose toner because I have a nice one I got, I think at Whole Foods or TJ Maxx or somewhere. And I have a vitamin C serum. So I shook it all up. There's extra. I could probably make like 5 masks. This is way more economical and green than those individual $5 packets. And leave it on as long as you like. Intensely hydrating and good quality. I'm in shock. If you want to reuse it, which you don't have to, you could put it back in there if your face was clean and you feel good about it. What I love about this is that, like this, for example, is an emulsion for breakouts. So if you break out, you could soak it in that. If you need to calm down your skin, you could soak it in chamomile tea. I mean, it's endless. Choose your own adventure.